Hi guys, I hope you are well and welcome back, and hello anyone that is new. My name is Ellis and today I am sharing with you a video that you guys have always loved over here on my channel, and a video that I have not shared with you in what is almost 2 years, which is just insane, and that is a B&M haul. So I went out to the shops and I needed a variety of things, from home decor to cleaning to Christmas bit, autumn, fall bits, Halloween bits, and all sorts of things like that. So I did a big little shop and I'm going to share with you exactly what I picked up, some bits that are new in that I've spotted that I think you're going to absolutely love. And yeah, I'm just going to jump straight in. Okay, so I'm literally just going to go through the bag. There's going to be like no rhyme or reason as to what I got. So first thing is a Christmas cleaning item. You know me, I love a good Christmas thing. And it was these. They're like these little minky scourers in these cute Christmas star shaped. Now there's 3 in a pack here. I think they were £1, and they also did green Christmas tree ones as well, but I thought these ones were a little bit cuter. Okay, so I bought these last year and I think I shared it over on my Instagram, but I am obsessed with these. These are huge dupes of the White Company candles. I've had the White Company candles before. I still have one, in fact, and I actually think these dupes are better. Now, I also think they now do these in Asda, Aldi and Primark as dupes, but they've got them in B&M. So the first one that I picked up, and I've actually had this one before, I think, I'm sure I had this one last year, is this. Look how much of a dupe they are for the White Company candles, it's insane. So this one is called Clementine Spice, and as you can see, it is such a dupe of the White Company candle. It was £6. This one, I don't know if it tells you the actual scents of what's in them. No, I don't think it does, but it says it's got a 70-hour burn time, which is huge. And it smells just amazing. This is really kind of my kind of scent. So I'm really excited to get this lit. But following on from this one, I also got very much in the Christmas mood, and I picked up this one here, which is Frosted Winter Berry. And as you can see, it's got all the really cute red berries around it. So I am very excited to get this one out at Christmas. Again, it was £6. Again, doesn't have anything with regards to the scent, but you can smell the berries. And I mean, it's lovely. Okay, next up in my bag, we are going away in the next couple of weeks over the half term. And there's gonna be like loads of like disco-y things on for the kids and stuff like that. And it's Halloween as well. So I actually picked up these. It was this glow pack, a 60-piece value pack, and there's loads of different things in here, from there's rings, headbands, pendants, glow wands. As you can see, a whole different variety of headbands, earrings, glasses. So I bought for £2.50. That was a steal. I think at the kids' school they've got a disco. I think they're charging like 50p for like 2 glow sticks, so I definitely think that's reasonable. Oh, and then on the topic of Halloween, we also have some fake blood for £1. And then I also picked up these for the boys' stockings. So I was looking at some different bits and bobs that I could pick up, and the first thing that I picked up that I thought the kids would absolutely love are these 2 games. They're jelly bean games, as you can see here. One of them is called the Chopstick Challenge. You basically need some chopsticks, which I'm assuming it comes with, and there's a selection of fruit and cola flavoured jelly beans. It's basically just a challenge, like how many can you do in so long, can you sort them out, etc, etc. But then the other one has the Straw Challenge, which comes with 4 paper straws. And again, I think it's very similar. They've got loads of different challenges that you can do with the jelly beans. So I got them a box each. And then following on from that, for their stockings, I also got these. I think that these were £2 each, actually. Yeah, the jelly bean games were £2 each. And then I also got these, and I'm sure these were £1 each. These huge gold coins, again, for their stocking. And then I also picked up this, which I absolutely loved. I wanted a new jug. I've got a candle like this from B&M, but I wanted one that had like a lid, because I keep a lot of things like coins, loose change, hair grips, like bits and bobs like that. And I saw this one in there, which I thought was really lovely, for just £2 with this bamboo lid. It's classed as a food container, so to be honest with you, I really like the idea of these for my tea, sugar and coffee. But I recently featured some ones that I picked up in a Temu haul, which I'm obsessed with as well, that have like a cork top lid, which are amazing. So I'm probably not going to pick up any more of these, but yeah, love that. Oh, then I picked up these. These are my favourites. I have them out all the time. And I picked up this scent, which is the Exotic Bloom but it is these. I think these were about £4 for 2, but B&M did have an offer on there. I think it was 3 for £6, which I was going to do, but I didn't have a lot of scents that I loved. But this exotic bloom scent, oh, it's so good. So I'm going to go and put them upstairs in the bathroom as soon as I'm done with this video. Then I've been dying to try this. I've seen so many talk about it. Obviously we have a cat and a dog who we don't really get a lot of hair and fur and stuff in our washing machine, but I've seen a lot of people talking about this, and my washing machine does need a deep clean. So it's called the Mooch Washing Machine Cleaner. Now this one is actually in a sparkling lemon scent. It's meant to dissolve hair, eliminate lime scale, remove dirt, eliminate bad odours, prevent blockages, and kill 99.9% of bacteria. And it had that lemon scent, so I'm really intrigued to try that. So keep your eye out for an upcoming cleaning video. I'm definitely going to try that out soon. Which, on that note, if you do watch my content and you are here for my cleaning content, it will be coming. Health has kind of put me on the back burner with a lot of stuff, but I do have a couple of plans for some cleaning content and redecoration videos and stuff like that coming up soon, so keep your eyes peeled. Okay, next up I have these 3, what do we call these? Advent calendars. Peppa Pig for my youngest, and then the Hot Wheels ones for my bigger 2 boys. They were like £1.25 each or something like that, but I've already got their main advent calendar. So my sons connect the Panini football cards, trade football cards and stuff like that, so they've already got their main advent calendar, which was an extortionately ridiculous amount of money. I'm pretty sure they went up by £5 this year, which was an extra £10 on advent calendars, but they do use them. We do buy them football cards, so it's just another way of us getting them the football cards as a little bit of a treat, but through Christmassy ways. So I picked up those, which I thought I'm going to get them now before the cheap ones run out, because I've already got their main one. And then the last thing that I actually picked up, and I've needed a new one of these in forever, and I'm so glad I finally picked it up, and I'm praying it fits my ironing board. But I picked up this, which I absolutely loved. It was this ironing board cover. It says it fits large ironing boards, so I'm going to go and try it on my ironing board once we're done here. But it was £5 for this large ironing board cover. It's elasticated, comes with a cotton lining with felt, you know, just the things an ironing board are. But it was very neutral in colour, which I love. My one's pink and floral. It came with the ironing board. I don't love it, but it did its job. But yeah, here we are. I've got myself a new one. So that is everything I picked up in this very, very quick B&M haul. I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing what I've got. At the moment, they have got so much autumn stuff in there. All of like your autumn decor, your fall decor, which I'm yet to do. I'm yet to buy any more for our home this year, because I'm being really tight and budgeting really, really strictly this year, and I have a lot of stuff. They had so much of that, so much Christmas stuff in there, so many toys, home decor, cleaning stuff, you name it, there was so much of it. So if that's your kind of thing, definitely head down to B&M. But that is everything from me today. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this very short but sweet B&M haul. And if you are new, I would love to have you, so please do like this video and subscribe if you are new. But in the meantime, I will see you all in another video very, very soon. Bye guys.